Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tiggy Tigger from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across. And then a curved V shape underneath. Next on top, let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing a curve up and then back down on both sides. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back in to the sides of the nose. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a large oval. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. And now from both ends, let's curve it down. And then a large curve underneath to close off the mouth. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's hop back up next to the eyes and let's draw a curve out and down on both sides. Now from the end, let's curve it back up. And then two more curved V shapes underneath. And now let's connect them with a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the bottom half of the face. Now let's hop up to the top. From the center, let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same thing next to it on the right and left. And now let's color the stripes in black. Next, on top of the head, let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. And now thicken the eyebrows up slightly. Next, on top, let's draw the ears. From the top of the head, let's draw a curve up, around, and back in and down like this. And the same thing on the top right. And now inside each ear, let's draw the same shape again. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing the four-leaf clover necklace. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve up and out, and then another curve to form an angled heart shape. And now let's do the same thing next to it on the right. And then two more underneath. And now inside each one, let's draw a diagonal line in the center. Now let's hop on top and let's draw two angles underneath the head. And that's it for the necklace. Next, let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down, bringing it out, and then back in towards the center. And the same on the right side. Next, on the sides, let's follow that same curve down for the sides of the body. And then inside, let's draw 2 curves on the left and 2 on the right. And then color these in black. Next, on the sides, let's add the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw a curve out from under the head. And then another curve underneath. Now inside the arm, let's add some stripes. Let's draw 2 at the beginning, 2 in the middle, and then another 2 at the end. And then let's color these in black. Next, at the end, let's draw the hand. From the top line, let's draw a wavy line up and curve it back down. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve out to the right, bring it back in and up. And then another finger underneath with a curve. And then one more underneath this one. And lastly, a curve to close off the bottom of the hand. Now top over to the left side and let's draw the other arm. For this one, let's start by drawing a line out and then curving it down. Now top in and let's draw a bent line in the same way. Now let's add the stripes inside the arm. Let's draw 2 at the beginning, 2 on an angle, and then 2 more at the end. And now let's color these in black. Now at the end, let's draw the hand. Let's start with a small curve here. Then let's hop up next to the arm and let's draw a curve down and up. And then one more curve underneath. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. For the sides of the body, let's curve it down and out. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw an upside down U-shaped curve. And then close off the bottom of each leg with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 curves on the legs for the stripes. And then color both of these in black. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down for the inside of the feet, and then a curve out and down from the outside. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. And now inside each foot, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Let's start on the bottom right of the body and let's draw a wavy line up. Bring it around like this. And then let's follow that same curve back in. Now inside, let's add some stripes. Let's draw 2 near the end. Another set in the middle here. And then 2 more. And then color the stripes in black. And that's it for Tiggy Tiger. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!